Blessed morning everyone. Uh, another morning of blessing. Ngayon, napapansin nyo po, ito pong latest withdrawal ko po, itong partner withdrawal is yesterday. So, March 30. Naka 23.43 tayo. Ito pong mga income na to is galing po lang yan sa spillover. Yung tinatawag na network spillovers na 2x2 matrix na which is nakapwesto ka, magkakaroon ka ng income or 10% sa kinikita nila. Okay? So, napapansin nyo, March 30, may March 29, March 28, March 27, then March 26, March 25, March 24, okay? March 23. So, almost every day po, nag-harvest tayo ng over na tinatawag na spillover. So, nandito po yan sa Minusa Network. Yan, sa network program. Yun. Grabe guys. So this morning, grabe, meron tayong 26.7. Hallelujah. So medyo tumaas na from 23. So gawin lang natin dito guys, instant withdrawal lang to. So i-click natin dito, yan. So ilagay ko yung network. Normally ginagamit ko pong network is BNB Smart Chain. All, tapos i-copy mo lang yung i-paste mo lang yung wallet address na ginagamit mo normally. Then meron tong security features, etong 2FA na-set up ko na kasi yung 2FA, then paste, then proceed to withdraw. Yan, so then abangan ko na yan instantly, mabilis lang po yan. Dito yan papasok sa ating USDT. Ginamit ko po ay Bitget wallet. So refresh mo lang yan. Diba may 8 po ako, matadagdagan pa yan ng yung withdraw natin ngayon. So refresh, yun no. So click ko lang tong USDT, itong BNB chain kasi ang ginamit ko. Then the latest received as of March 31, okay, is 26.78 USDT. Is tamang tama po dito sa amount na withdraw natin is 26.78. Alright. Then, dito sa history, kung kanina yung pinakita ko po kanina, ay mayroon na siyang latest. Yan, 26.78. Alright, so, another blessing guys. So, yung nakikita nyong community ko guys, ito spillover lang to para may idea kayo. Once na nakaposition kasi kayo dito guys, etong sa network structure, merong almost volume of my structure is 19,756, pero majority of that is spillover lang. Ayan. You know, so whatever na kinikita dyan, merong from left to right, may 300, may spillover na $15,000, no? Oh. So yan, no? Yan, may $1,000, may 500, 200. Actually, ang coverage ko ngayon hanggang third generation. Okay? So lahat ng kinikita nito is computed by what's the percentage? Ang percentage ngayon sa USDT is 1.24. Okay? So dito guys, napansin nyo, whatever the profit on arbitrage and na on daily basis, nakikita nyo, nag-execute siya ng trading, yan no? And every hour, 6 a.m., 7 a.m., then yan, mag-8 a.m. na, 7:26, magbibigay na naman siya ng profit sa atin. Magkakaroon ng actual income on daily basis. Alright? So, ito yung sa actual income on my personal capital. Okay? So, kasi personal capital ko dito, $300 lang. Then, yan, nandiyan lang siya, nag-grow lang siya, nagbibigay ng profit. Okay? Pero, ang good news dito pala sa spillover, bigyan ko kayo ng idea. Yung total earning ko na po dito is 387 at na-withdraw na po natin yan. At nga yung latest nga na withdrawal natin yung 26.7 na yan. Okay? So yun lang guys. So if you want to experience din yung ganitong system, just do your own diligence to review it. So ako medyo inaral ko siya. Actually dito hindi naman siya too technical. Pag nalagay mo lang yung capital ko, magpa-profit na siya. Automatic, wala nang pinipindot or kinakopy or ginaganyan. So, dito, just make your due diligence, watch your other videos, panoorin nyo po about the company and profile, and much better na tingnan mo tong frequently asked questions here, FAQ. Then, about sa mga question mo, at mga kailangan mo information na mati-discover mo dito kay Arcor. Okay, so happy earnings everyone. If you don't have a link, so you can create a link, okay, using your email. So I will send the link here at let's make profit together. More blessings to come.